Uttara Phalguni, the 12th Nakshatra, the constellation, consists of two stars looking like the rear legs of the bed and trailing into the sign Virgo. This constellation, Uttara Phalguni, means the fruits which you will bear at a later stage. Reddish in color. The first 3 degrees and 20 minutes falls in the sign Leo, and remaining 10 degrees falls in the sign Virgo. That's why the tail goes up to Virgo. The first sign ruled by Sun, the Leo, and the Virgo ruled by Mercury. There is a combination of Sun and Mercury. But falling in the first part of it, ruled by Sun, and also, or the ruling planet is Sun. The tremendous qualities of the Leos, they are born leaders with tremendous energies. Now you can see the Sun gives light to our body and to the whole zodiac, and these persons are full of light, full of energy, complete man. They individually, lonely and solely come up to the expectations of everybody, and they fulfill their expectations also according to their wish, but in the interest of the society. They get power only after the marriage, after the union with their legitimate wife. Lord Shiva and Parvati were married in this nakshatra only, so they could create the two powerful sons for the world. The deity Aryaman, the younger brother of the sun, born out of the Aditi, the first wife of the sun, represents patronage, courage, endurance, ambitions, law, legal, kingship, working for a change in the system, are born in this Pur Phalguni Nakshatra. One more quality which take them to spirituality. In the Vedic system, they attain spirituality through the left system. They attain and gain lot of knowledges of the world and mysteries of the world too. Their nature is like man, human, Manushya, and their motivation is salvation. They love not to come to the earth again and fulfill their all responsibilities and duties. Animal symbol is male, direction is east, to, pa, pi. They attain all the qualities of Rajasic, Tamasic and Sattvic. They are very balanced in that way. They know how to work with their own hand, with their own self. They are creative, good business people. They are good business people. Wealthy, generosity is one of their very good quality. Persons born with moon in the Uttara Phalguni constellation are tricky, tactful, mindful, good marriage life. They know how to maintain the family and how to earn for them with single-handed mind. Clean-hearted. Sun falling in the Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, the persons are arrogant, helpful for everybody. Successful retirement life. Live for moksha till the end of their life. They know art of living. They know the art how to make others happy. Perfect humanitarians. Leadership is one of their qualities, mystical and spiritual writers. Their professions normally philanthropist, writers, social activists, journalism, anchors, health employees, mathematicians, clairvoyants. If they go into business, they've got wonderful mind. If born in the first part of the nakshatra, the face looks like a lion. Good speaking, black eyes, black eyebrows, bigger forehead, gets disturbed too early. Childhood has a very bad health, but later stages they become very strong and tall. Born in the second part of this nakshatra are like deer. Good walkers, good jumpers, good sportsmen, very broad chest, eyes like a electric bulb. Born in the third part of this nakshatra, excellent shining body, fullest face, won't find anything missing on the face. Lot of hairs on the head, but beautiful hairs. Good character and nice speakers. Born in the fourth part of this nakshatra, broad face, everything broad, ears, nose, lips, eyes. You can find them in 100 people that he is born in the fourth part of the Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Alimony, charity is one of their biggest weakness or the quality.